In this video, I'll show you how to update Windows 11 to the latest version using the Installation Assistant. Open Edge and go to this URL. Click Download Now under the Installation Assistant, and then at the top right, go up to Downloads there. Click the three little dots and open Downloads page. Click Show in Folder. That'll take you right to it no matter where it is. You can close Edge and double-click Installation Assistant there. You've got to say yes on the UAC prompt. Give it a minute. And okay, we've now got to download this Health Check app. If you haven't done it already, PC Health Check app, open Downloads page and Show in Folder and close Edge again. Double click the PC Health app. Here it comes. And agree, install, and go ahead and click Finish, and it's going to open up this app. And you absolutely have to click on Check Now, and then you can go ahead and close that and close the app. Then go back into this and click Refresh, and then accept the license agreement. It's going to go through part 1 downloading. Speed depends on your internet connection, of course. And then it's going to verify and install phase 1. It's going to slow down around 74%. Reminder, if you like this video, please click subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications, and of course send a like. So you can see it slows down after about 80%, quite a bit here. And we're speeding this up. It took quite a long time on the PC I was testing it on. Now you get a 30-minute countdown timer in case you walked away. I'm going to go ahead and click Restart Now. That'll make it restart after about 30 seconds and go into the next phase. So it reboots here, and you're going to get the fancy new Windows logo animation. Looks cool. And we'll speed everything up. Again, it's going to slow down at around 74%, but it's almost done. Warning, there's some flashing colors coming up here. And there it is. What's going on? Signed in. Flashing colors are over. Okay, we're back at the desktop. It is almost done. So again, I recommend going into Start, Settings, and going into Windows Update and clicking Check for Updates just to make sure you're up to date. If you have any problems on updates with 11, I've got a couple more videos coming that will cover some common issues. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit bell for notifications.